Welcome to my channel Motor Trends, where we dive deep into the latest, most fascinating, and jaw-dropping innovations in the automotive world. Today, I've got something truly exciting lined up for you. We're talking about the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026. These aren't just any RVs. These are multi-million-dollar rolling mansions, crafted by some of the automotive industry: Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, Mercedes, and more. Each of these motorhomes is designed to take the idea of road travel to an entirely new level, combining speed, luxury, and futuristic technology that will blow your mind. So, buckle up because this is going to be one thrilling ride. Let's start with Rolls-Royce. When you think Rolls-Royce, you imagine handcrafted interiors, timeless elegance, and unmatched comfort. Now, take all of that and stretch it into a motorhome. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Majestic Voyager is a masterpiece on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile palace. Imagine stepping inside and being greeted by hand-stitched leather, cashmere carpets, crystal accents, and a smart lighting system that adapts to your mood. Rolls-Royce has also integrated a next-gen autonomous driving mode, meaning you can sit back in your private lounge and let the motorhome drive itself across the highways. It comes with a hidden champagne cabinet, a dining area with extendable tables, and even a private spa room with a massage chair and a steam shower. On the outside, the design screams authority, with the iconic Rolls-Royce grille standing tall. And under the hood, you've got a hybrid electric drivetrain delivering quiet but powerful performance, perfect for smooth long-distance cruising. It's not just about travel, it's about living in the ultimate luxury while moving from one destination to another. Next up, let's talk about Bugatti. Yes, Bugatti, the brand synonymous with hypercars like the Chiron and the Bolide, has stepped into the motorhome game, and trust me, it's wild. The Bugatti Tourbillon Cruiser 2026 is nothing less than a hyper motorhome. Where other RVs aim for comfort, Bugatti blends comfort with outrageous performance. Powered by a quad-turbo hybrid V16 engine paired with electric motors, this beast produces well over 2,000 horsepower, making it the fastest luxury motorhome on Earth. But speed isn't the only selling point. Step inside and you'll find a cabin inspired by the cockpit of a private jet. High-grade carbon fiber, Alcantara, and polished aluminum are everywhere. The seating can convert into flat beds, the panoramic roof opens up for stargazing, and there's even a built-in AI assistant that personalizes every detail of your journey, from temperature to entertainment. Bugatti designed this motorhome for the billionaire who wants to hit 200 miles per hour on the Autobahn, then park by the coast and enjoy a 5-star hotel experience inside their vehicle. It's extreme, futuristic, and absolutely breathtaking. Now, let's bring in Mercedes. The German giant has always dominated the luxury motorhome scene with their Sprinter conversions, but in 2026, they've taken things far beyond what we've ever seen. The Mercedes Vision Horizon 2026 is an all-electric motorhome designed for the future of sustainable luxury travel. With a range of over 600 miles on a single charge thanks to its solid-state battery technology, this motorhome makes long trips easy and environmentally friendly. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, with LED accents running across the body and a grille-less face that signals its all-electric nature. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a minimalist yet ultra-comfortable space. The Vision Horizon features modular furniture. You can transform your lounge into a bedroom with the push of a button. There's a full smart kitchen with AI cooking assistance, a 4K holographic entertainment system, and a panoramic glass wall that can turn opaque at your command for privacy. Mercedes also integrated solar panels seamlessly into the roof, giving you additional range when parked under the sun. It's the perfect combination of modern elegance, futuristic technology, and environmental consciousness. Of course, no list of luxury motorhomes would be complete without mentioning the American giants who know a thing or two about big and bold designs. The 2026 Prevost Platinum Edition is the ultimate American luxury coach. Prevost has long been the choice of celebrities, touring musicians, and business tycoons, and this year's model raises the bar even higher. Measuring nearly 45 feet long, the Platinum Edition is basically a luxury condo on wheels. Inside, you've got marble countertops, a king-size bed, a full bathroom with heated floors, and even a walk-in closet. The entertainment system is straight out of Hollywood, with a retractable OLED cinema screen, surround sound, and VR integration for immersive gaming or movies. The cockpit comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, making this giant surprisingly easy to maneuver. And unlike most RVs, this motorhome has an expandable sidewall system, meaning when you're parked, you can literally double your interior living space at the touch of a button. It's big, bold, and built for those who want to live life large while traveling across the country. Finally, let's talk about an unexpected but impressive entry, the Tesla Nomad X 2026. While Tesla is primarily known for their cars, they've now ventured into the world of luxury motorhomes, and the Nomad X is revolutionary. Built on a fully electric platform with Tesla's latest 4,680 battery cells, it boasts an incredible 700-mile range, supported by solar arrays and an auxiliary wind turbine system for off-grid living. The design is futuristic, almost spaceship-like, with smooth curves, adaptive suspension, and fully autonomous driving capabilities. Inside, the Nomad X is all about smart living. The walls are interactive touchscreens, allowing you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment with a single swipe. The furniture is made from sustainable materials, and the entire interior is designed to feel like a luxury loft apartment. Tesla has even added a compact drone system that launches from the roof, giving you aerial views of your journey or helping you scout campsites ahead of time. For tech lovers and adventure seekers, the Tesla Nomad X is the ultimate blend of innovation and exploration. So, there you have it, the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026. From the sheer elegance of Rolls-Royce to the mind-blowing speed of Bugatti, the futuristic sustainability of Mercedes, the grand American style of Prevost, and the high-tech wizardry of Tesla, these motorhomes prove that the future of travel isn't just about reaching your destination, it's about experiencing the journey in unparalleled comfort and style. These vehicles redefine what it means to hit the road, turning every trip into a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. If you had to pick one of these incredible motorhomes, which one would you choose? The royal luxury of Rolls-Royce, the hyper-speed of Bugatti, the futuristic eco-friendly Mercedes, the larger-than-life Prevost, or the tech-packed Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one captured your imagination the most. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Trends, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the coolest vehicles on the planet. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and driving even bigger.